Hi guys, it's Erika. I'm at Lowe's right now and there is a whole bunch of really cool plants here that I usually don't see at big box stores or anything. And so yeah, these are the cool new plants here for 2020. First of all, check out these different kinds of Peperomia caperatas. Look at the coloring on this thing. That is just so cool. Like every leaf has a whole bunch of different colors. And these are $24.98. They come in this kind of wobbly but really cool pot. Comes with a little stand. And then not only that, but they have some adansonii here. And there are a whole bunch of them. They are also $24.98 in this pot. They are in a smaller pot inside, in a 6-inch. There we go. Usually adansonii are found kind of not often in like Lowe's and Home Depot, but they're usually around $20 for an 8 or 10-inch. Don't remember what size. But this one comes with a pot, so that's cool, and there's actually a lot of them here. And over here we got some ponytail palms and the same little situation. These are so cute. Just got their little ponytails. Some more down here. And then over here we got some different kinds of peperomia from the other one, and these have really cute pink stems that I think are so adorable. They're kind of this light grayish color, and then with the pink stems it kind of brings out like the pinkish color in them. And they're also really kind of sparkly. I don't know if I can get that on camera, but they are $9.98. And over here are some more different kinds. These are more compact, and these ones don't have those really pretty pink stems. And below all that here we have some Calathea Ornatas. Let's see how many there are. There's 3 of these guys. These are $12.98. I think that's one of the best prices I've seen. They look pretty healthy for being at a store that isn't a nursery. But we'll see how long they look like this without getting crispy leaves. Because these guys are kind of difficult to care for, but they're so pretty. Look at these dark colored leaves and these pink stripes they have. Can't believe these are real plants. That's insane. Wow. Over here we have some Tineke rubber trees, and they're not really commonly found at like big box stores in general. These are only $24.99, and some of them have up to like 4 babies in here. So I think that's really good, but they have such beautiful variegation. Wow. Are you kidding me? These are so nice. I'm kind of tempted to buy one. These plants do need a lot of light though. So if you don't have a bunch of light for these, then I wouldn't recommend buying one because they do not like low light situations. This might be overwatered. Their leaves are a little limp. But there's some healthier ones over here. There's also some strawberry, I'm not sure what kind of Syngoniums these are, but they have very solid pink leaves. Usually the Syngoniums have more greenish to them. Like they're not as solid pink as these. They're like solid pink and then solid green. It might just be the line. Usually this is how they look, more like. $4.98. They're really pretty. Syngoniums usually grow pretty fast too. recently they've been coming out with these lucky bamboo and kind of weird configurations. So this one here is $29.98, and I think it's really pretty how they just sit in this like pond water. And this one's $29.98. It's hollow on the inside. And yeah, these are just, look at this one. $24.98. And then just the regular basic curly guys. Cute little planters. Okay, so I came to another Lowe's to just make sure that all those cool plants were not an anomaly, and they're all here. There's some lucky bamboos. And over here are the peperomias with the really beautiful coloration, the adansonii, everything looking super healthy. There's the Tinekes over here. There's one really big guy hanging out. So pretty, huh? Oh, these leaves. This one over here has kind of like crazy variegation. It's very subtle, like half and half. That's really cool. These monkey cups, they're sold pretty commonly, but they have so many cups on them. They're so tall and they're only $5 each. That's crazy, right? There's also this orchid that I'm getting for $5. Tee-hee. So those are pretty much all of the kind of like newer plants that are not really often found at like Lowe's or Home Depot, and they're pretty healthy. Like the ones that I looked at all look pretty healthy. It might be because they just came in, but I don't know. There's a lot of each kind of plant and they're all looking pretty good. So yeah. That is it for today's video. It was a little bit short, but I hope you guys enjoyed it either way, and you can give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!